channel Kids Cloud.
Please subscribe to this channel Kids Cloud. Which natural acids are present in the food?
Acids are dangerous chemicals and we should not play with them. That's what we always hear from everyone. In contrary to this, here we will talk about some edible acids. Yes, what you heard is correct. There are some acids which are naturally present in food items, especially in fruits. These are perfectly safe and make us healthy. Let's see the importance of these acids and which are they. These acids impart a typical taste to a fruit or food. They play an important role in food preservation. Additionally, these acids have an antioxidant property that increases the nutritional value of the fruit or food. Citric acid. You all are aware of citric acid. It is found predominantly in citrus fruits such as orange, lime, lemon, and berries. All plants have a small trace of citric acid. Next is tartaric acid. Grapes are the prime source of tartaric acid. A large number of fruits such as apples, cherries, papaya, pineapple, peach, pear contains tartaric acid. Potato and carrots are also the sources of tartaric acid. Benzoic acid is present in some fruits as well as in some spices. Strawberries, cranberries, plum, prunes, mustard seeds, cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon are some examples of benzoic acid sources. Malic acid is another natural edible acid present largely in apple. Other sources are watermelon, grapes, cherries, broccoli, and carrots. Tannic acid is present mainly in tea. Next is oxalic acid. Tea, cocoa, pepper, spinach, and beetroot are the sources of oxalic acid. This is all about some major edible acids present in the food, especially in fruits and vegetables.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.